Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Tesla card key. First, gather your new card key and an existing, authenticated key, such as your phone or another card. Navigate to the Controls menu on your Tesla's large touchscreen, then select Locks. It is important to ensure your vehicle is safely in park before proceeding with any keys. To begin adding your new key, simply tap the Add Key option displayed on your vehicle's touchscreen. Next, take your already authenticated key card and place it firmly on the center console's key reader. Immediately after, place your new, unassigned card key on the very same reader. This two-step scanning process authenticates the new key. With your PlayStation 5 configured, it's time to connect your iPad. Open the PS Remote Play application on your device. You'll need to sign in using the exact same PlayStation Network account linked to your console. Once logged in, the app will display a list of available PlayStation 5 consoles. Simply select yours, and the application will automatically search for and establish a connection. Your Tesla is quite versatile, allowing you to add up to 19 different keys, including phone keys and card keys. Remember, you will always need at least one working, authenticated key to add any new ones. For security, if a key is ever lost or stolen, promptly remove it from your vehicle's lock settings to prevent unauthorized access. This ensures your Tesla remains secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.